And hello guys, welcome to my Microsoft Excel School Academy. This is the course for beginners and intermediate users. If you watched the previous lessons and if you like them, please click on like and subscribe button and hit the ring bell button to get the further notifications for the lessons that will come in future. So let's take a look at one more type of object that we can insert inside of Excel. Now what I'm about to show you here, we are going to just touch upon the surface as a feature. There is much more that we can do here, but at this level we are going to see how to insert SmartArt. Now SmartArt is not just an Excel feature, you can use it inside Word and PowerPoint, and SmartArt will allow you to create diagrams. To do that, you must go to Insert tab and go to Illustrations. You got the button Insert a SmartArt graphic. Click on here and you see you got the various diagrams here, and I will select from all and for example this one under the process section, continuous block process. It is used often to show progression or sequential steps in task, process or workflow. Works best with minimal level 1 and level 2 text. When you hit OK, we got a smart diagram. First I will resize it a little and I will put it here under my table. Okay, when I insert a SmartArt graphic, I got new tabs, Design and Format. Under the Design tab, you get the layouts, different layouts for this SmartArt, and you can preview them to see how it will look. And you got different SmartArt styles and so on. Under the Format section, under the Format tab, you get the options to change the colors and the text, shape fill, shape outline, and some shape effects, and so on. So there are two ways to enter the text under the SmartArt graphic. You can enter it direct into the shape or into this text pane. For me, it's easier to enter it and to change it here. Because we are talking about our monthly budget, let's say our steps could be the first step, for example, make money. Sorry. Let's say my second step will be spend money, and next step tracking money. And for tracking money we have our monthly budget table, and we see where the money goes to: food, credit card, phone, electricity, and so on. But what if I want to put some sub-elements, to insert some sub-elements here? You can do this. For example, if I click here and in text pane and hit the enter key, I got a new shape. As you see, I can enter the text here. Also, if I click the backspace button, I will delete that shape. But what if I want to insert some sub-elements into this shape, first shape, make money shape? You can do that by hitting the enter key on the keyboard and hit the tab key, and you create a new bullet, and for example make money like sell old phones, or maybe ask mom to borrow. For example, spend money, hit the enter and the tab key and spend money, I don't know, maybe play, entertainment, play and entertainment, and so on. It doesn't matter. To conclude, the SmartArt graphic is much more used in PowerPoint, but just to know, you can use it in Excel and Word. And this lesson will be the last lesson inside of topic of inserting images, shapes and so on. In the next lesson we will talking about creating basic charts in Excel. That will be all for today's lesson, and see you soon.